Hey guys, so today we'll do an unboxing of a gimbal that I ordered for my phone so that the footage that I take would not be so shaky as it is now, so yeah, we'll do the unboxing video now of this gimbal. And this is the package that arrived today from United States. I ordered it on Amazon.com. And I must say, it arrived pretty quickly. Only 5 days to arrive here, and I chose the slowest postage because it was the cheapest. And they did all the customs and stuff like that. The gimbal itself costed me around $40, but then with the packaging and customs and all that stuff, and I also bought one add-on that's like a selfie stick that I can prolong it, and put it in the air so it looks like a drone shot. So altogether came to about $100 with the packaging and delivery. So yeah, this is the package, and yeah, let's open it up and see what's inside. Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. So, as you might know, I have a travel channel called Big Joe Cheap Travels, and I used to record a lot of shots just using my hand, and my mobile. That's basically it. Then I got some selfie sticks, but the footage was really shaky, and especially when I used the front camera on the phone, you can see it's like shaky. Then I had one cheap thingy like this, just a plastic, and like you hold it and walk, that was about $20 worth. But yeah, it helped a little bit, but still the footage was a little bit shaky, so I decided to go with a professional gimbal. Now this one is not new. I buy secondhand because it was like half cheaper. So yeah, cheap travels. Why spend more? It's still the same, the functional. Well, I hope so. We'll test it out, but yeah. So let's see what they send me from Amazon. So this is the package that I received. I just cut it open. So now let's see what's hiding inside. Airbags for protection. And from Amazon, what I bought. Let me see. So yeah, my order. So see, the extension stick was $18, and the gimbal itself, secondhand, Zhiyun Smooth Q3 Combo, 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for smartphone, foldable phone gimbal with light auto inspection, delay, zoom, whatever. So subtotal was $66, almost $67. Then shipping and handling from US to Slovenia was about $20, and tax was about $20. So in total, $104.38 for this stuff. So I guess this is the extension that you screw on the gimbal. And this is the gimbal itself, Smooth Q3 Combo gimbal. Yeah, the box have been opened, you see, because it's second-hand. So yeah, let me check what's inside. So this is the final product. Where do I open you? A nice case. This is because if you buy this combo version, it says it came with a case. So I guess that's the case. And now let's open it up. It's quite big, if this is my hand. So carrying this with you all the time, it takes a lot of space. That's first minus. So maybe I'll leave the case at home and just take the gimbal out, when I'm traveling. So let me open this case up, and ta-da! This is the gimbal. It's elastic thingy that's holding thing down. Oh, this thing is quite heavy. Oh, okay. So this is the gimbal. A little bit small for my hand, but I think it'll do. You watched on YouTube, you have to unscrew this, put this up, then screw it back again, then like release this left right, and this release left right. Okay. How do I release that one? It doesn't go left, it doesn't go right. This is one axis, this is second, and this is the third one. It's not releasing at the moment. And this one goes down, yeah, it's like on springs. But why is this one not going left or right? Is there a button to push or something? Or, yeah. Okay. And this is there. When unboxing goes wrong. And you do it with only one hand. Yeah, this is for you put it on the bottom of the gimbal. Yeah, this one. And open it up, screw it on. See, it has a screw. And then you can place it. So yeah, let me try to fix this together and see how it looks. You see, when my dog is very interested. You want some of this? No, it's not food. It's not wood. Okay, so let me screw this on and let's see what happens. It's still interesting, yeah? So I've screwed it on. So basically, when I hold it in my hand, now it looks like this. So it has quite a good grip. This is very wobbly because I didn't turn it on yet. But yeah, I think you have to press this power button on front for like a few seconds. Yeah, it's doing something. Now, let's check the batteries, or you think it's open. Well, it's doing something. Who knows? Okay, I have to check the instructions and see what it says, you know. So that's basically the gimbal. What else did we get here? We got something. I think that's the subscription. This is the instructions inside, yeah. This is trash. We got something else here. It's like a little ribbon that you can put around your wrist. And I guess this is a charging cable, USB charging cable. So yeah, that's that. This is that. And what's this shiny thing here? Some Chinese reviewed 07. Okay, so that's it. That's the gimbal. Now let's see if I can open up this puppy, which is like the extension cable. So if I unscrew this off and then screw this on it, you can extend it, you know, you can hold it high and record from high in the air. But then you have to edit because it doesn't have any button to start recording, so you would have to cut out the first part. Yeah, that's like a setback, but okay. So I think this was the review. Did you like it, Hachiko? So yeah, guys, I hope you liked my unboxing of this, let me see again, Smooth Q3 Combo Gimbal product. And yeah, that's it for today. Like this, share it, and subscribe if you haven't done so. So yeah, to see it in action, maybe I'll do another video testing the gimbal actually outside to see how the stabilization works. So yeah, we'll see you on my next travel vlog. Take care, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.